goes Kennedy climbing the stairs. You're not going to be able to see her. Here, let me just do it.
I got it.
Okay, let me do it. It's a lot cuter.
Alright. Here you go.
And then I'll just have to decide if I want to sacrifice the baby or the camera if she falls. Go, baby. You can go. You can do it, baby. Keep going. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Whoa. Rio. Girls, go. You just got like bulldozed by the dog. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. You got it? Keep going. Don't be distracted. Oh, there's a light over there, isn't it? We always have to stop and look at the light. Uh-oh, what happened to the light?
Mama.
Okay, keep going. No uh-ohs. We're not going to have any uh-ohs on the stairs. Good job, baby. Good job. Oh, we need to turn the whole light on. What a big girl. Alright. Last one. Keep going. Keep going. Bum-ba-da-da-da. We made it. Well, you're not as perky as you normally are. See, normally we get to the top of the stairs and we just take off. I'm a big girl. We made it to the top. There she goes. It's not normal that she will actually go all the way to her room. Normally we get distracted. Hey, Kennedy. What's up?
Let's put it down there.
No, put it down on my hands.
Sorry.
Good job. Hi.
No.
The end.